Hey, hello guys. I wanted to make a video to show the product. This is the what I got from Alibaba, and this is what it comes all the parts for the microphone body, and I believe. By the way, this is a nice finish. I'm not sure, but this probably be copper. It feels too heavy to be aluminum. I'm not sure, but this might be copper. Uh, the finish of the paint, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, the painting is really good. Even I'm not sure, but maybe it is copper. I'm not sure. The frame, it comes with all the screws to mount the PCB on both sides. I believe. I keep repeating the same word, but I think these screws are N 2.5. I think that's what they are. N 2.5. This screw is pretty good. It's heavy, nice painting. It comes with the connector too, as you can see right there. That's the connector. All right, and also the extra screws for the basket, and this ring is made of metal. It's actually metal. Also, I was surprised that it also comes with the saddle for the capsule, the microphone capsule right here. You can see it's plastic, but at least I didn't expect to have this on the body of this microphone. The sort of like a U87 style Neumann, and the metal basket frame, it feels really sturdy. It's really strong, and the parts they came here in this inside the basket. Overall, I mean, oh yeah, also I gotta mention about the packaging. This is the box. It came with this box, and the package was really good too. So let me put it together. Okay, hold on, let me pause the video and put it together to show you how it looks. Also, I'm working on the layout. So I did the measurements the other day, and I got the measurement from the top, the bottom, and then I gotta transfer all these to this layout. It's gonna be a new layout. All right, let me show you how it looks. Hold on, I forgot to mention something. I forgot to mention about the hole in the middle. So for a different type of mount, a saddle for the microphone capsule. So there is one in the middle for a different type, and this is the hole for the wires. So I forgot to mention that. All right, so here is how the microphone looks. I gotta see, all mounted together. It feels really heavy. It's really heavy. It feels, you know what? I am happy with this. Look at that. In black color, it looks so good, man. In this color. Yeah. I'm gonna continue working on the layout. It's pretty good. Look at that. This is how it looks. Let me see from the light. Okay. You have a double mesh, I think. Look at that. Nice.